So as I mentioned earlier, anytime that you have a physical hand count and it's different from the value that you have on your ending inventory, you always adjust to the physical hand count. So what am I really saying? Let's suppose that we have $1,000 on the books for our cost of our inventory right now, ending inventory. We do a physical hand count and we realize that based on our physical hand count, the value is only $800. So our books right now has a higher amount of ending inventory in terms of cost than what we have counted for. Well, we have to always adjust to the physical hand count. So what should we do to our inventory? Lower it. So how are we going to do lower inventory? Easy. We're going to debit cost of goods sold, and we're going to credit what? Inventory. For the $200, right? For the $200. Now, if the situation was vice versa and we had ending inventory on the books for $800 and we did a physical hand count and ending inventory increased in value to $1,000, then we have to increase our inventory. And so we would just simply reverse this entry. Real simple, guys. Okay? So that summarizes chapter 5. And it's pretty straightforward, but it takes practice. So let's move on to chapter 6.